Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you how easy it is to flip $1,000 to 6,000. It is very easy. It is very simple as long as you know what you are doing. But for you to be able to understand how I was able to do this, then you will need to watch this video till the end. Before we proceed, I'd like you to make sure you are following and you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. And as long as you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, anytime we have new videos, beautiful contents that will help you grow in your trading career, you will easily get to see this video. But before you can be able to get notification, you will need to turn on the notification. So go to your after following the channel, you will see the place where it's asking you to turn on the notification. Please turn it on. What that will do is each time we post a video like this, you will be notified that we have a new video, and you can be able to see it, and you'll be up to date to all that we are doing. Trading is a very beautiful thing. Of course, a lot of people who have lost so much money in trading would call it a scam, and have several reservations and say they don't want to go into such. But the truth is, what you need to understand is this system has its principles, and as long as you are abreast all of its principles, you will not have issues, you will not have problems. But the issue is, a lot of times people want to go into trading not knowing the principles, not understanding what it entails, and most times they get in trouble, they get in problem for it. And with regards that, I would like to let you know that we have a careful plan for you on that. We have an academy that will train you from the beginner stage to the advanced, so you can become an advanced trader. All you need to do is click up on our link kfctrading.com, or go to the website kfctrading.com, or if you want to put it www.kfctrading.com. and once you're on that website, you don't even need to communicate with anybody per se. All you just need is you go straight to the mentorship plan, check which plan is okay for you, click up on the plan. You're going to see the payment details. If you're paying in dollars, the crypto platform is there for you. If you're paying in naira account is there for you. You make your payment, you send your proof of payment, just in case you don't get a response, because I'm very sure our support team, they are hands on, and I'm very sure they're going to respond to you immediately. But peradventure you made a payment and you're not yet maybe getting approval, then you might need to send a notification to us, and all our contact details are there. You can call us, our number is there on the website. You can send us a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp or on X or Twitter or TikTok and Instagram or on Facebook, and we will respond to you immediately to get you started. And once you've been approved, it means you're going to have access to all of the materials and courses, as long as you are subscribed for the package that gives you every access to the website. And once you are on the website, you can start the course, VIP mentorship course 1, take it up to 7.0, and after then you will have understood everything you need to know about trading, and you can now start practicalizing, maybe with a demo account, or maybe with little money you want to try out with in a live account until you master. But I'm giving you a full assurance that those seven courses that we have on the website will take you, each course per month, 7 months max to finish the courses. And after then, you can then practice for the rest, let's say give and take 3 to 5 months for you to be able to master what you have learned in 7 months. By 12 months, I am very, very sure that's exactly what KFC Trading is about. That's exactly what our mentorship is about for you. I'm very sure in 12 months, having used all the materials and details available, made ready for you on that website, you would have mastered trading, whether crypto, forex, CFDs, synthetics, name them, stocks, or whatever. You will become a master in trading. and you will be certified by KFC Trading Academy, and you can do a lot. Many opportunities are open to you. Now, once you've been able to learn trading, then you agree with me that you can do anything. There are endless possibilities, there are limitless possibilities to you as a trader. Don't mind all the many things people say about trading. It's because they don't really know about the system. What do they know? So they speak out of ignorance, they speak out of lack of knowledge, they speak out of low, or should I say zero information that they have about the system, and they feel like they know more. But for you who is ready to start your journey into becoming a millionaire trader, then KFC Trading Academy is for you. Quickly, let's dive into the topic, which is 1,000 to 6,000. How did we do that? I know a lot of you are ready, to hear on this, because I've been getting the feedback for those of you writing 6K loading. Yeah, that's how we put the challenge, that if you want to see this video on the comment section, 6K loading on social media, and I've been getting that 6K loading, and this is it. It's that simple. Okay, so you're in a $1,000 account and you want to make 6K in a short time. You can determine how long. You can say 1 week, you could say 2 weeks, 1 month. The thing is, the faster the riskier. Okay, take note of that. The faster, the more risk you are going to put in place. So if you want to reduce the risk, then you're going to reduce the speed, the rush, and you're going to take it one step after the other. But having known what your strategy is, and having known what your entries could be in a week, let's say you're trading for peradventure, then you can be able to plan and say, okay, fine, I have $1,000 and I will take it to 6,000. So how much can I reach in a day? How much should I get in a day when I win? Because it's a win to lose system when it comes to trading. So there will be days for losses and be days for win. So you give yourself give and take. I lose this, I gain this, with the risk to reward ratio, which is the best, at least 1 to something greater than 1. So 1 ratio 1 point something, 1 ratio 2, 1 ratio 3, 1 ratio 4. Those of you who are traders, you know what I'm talking about. That's the best way to grow that account. You can be gambling, you can be playing around. The market is going to deal with you, the market is going to burn you. Okay, so quickly, let's look at how I did this. I did this in 3 weeks. I've done this in a week before, but I did this particular one in 3 weeks. Okay, so how did I do it? It's that simple. Okay, I have a plan. I planned it. I said, okay, fine, I'm going to take this $1,000 to 6,000. So I had the risk per day, I had the risk per week, I had everything carefully planned out. That's how I was able to achieve it. Follow me through now. Let's first of all go into my mobile device, show you what I have on my mobile device, and that way I can now show you even more about the show you from the mobile device, take you into the charts, how the entries came about and how I was able to hit the TPs and hit it, because of course I have some losses, but I was able to achieve my targets. All right, let's go to my mobile device. Okay, so this is my mobile device, and here let's look quickly. Here is the account. As you can see, that is $1,000 and then flipped up to $6,000. Listen, it is very, very simple. Okay, you too can do this. All you need to do is believe in yourself, trust the process, and you'll be able to achieve it. Okay, so if you look all through, that's the account. Okay, if you look all through, that's the accounts, and then we have the history, transaction history, what was done, what entries we were taking, and all of the whole process, what was done in eventually. Okay, so it's easy. Like I said, I always tell you, it depends on what you will be able to risk in the system. So if you look closely, you see that it is 1,000 for deposit, and then the 1,000 for deposit, and then the profit is 5,373.41. Okay, and then if you add that to the 1,000, you have 6,000. So that means the profit is actually just probably that's just 5,000. So it's the 5,000 plus the 1,000 that gives you the 6,000. Okay, so even though I have a trade that is currently on now, okay, and that's because I'm actually still flipping the account, and I plan to take it to 10,000. Plan to take it to 10,000, but let's see if I can do 8,000 today, because I see some entries I'm catching, which I'm currently working with. If I get 8,000, don't worry, I'm going to do another video and I'll show you how I got to 8,000. Okay, so but this is it. This is the account, and I think this is basically everything. You can see the lot size. So the lot size I used for this is one. Most times I use one lot size, one standard lot if I'm trading GU or EU. Then I use the otherwise when I'm trading gold. Okay, so I just look at what is doable and I do it for myself so that I can be able to achieve my target. Drawing board, and let's see how that is achievable on the drawing board. So what will be the pips like? Okay, so first of all, you're going to ask yourself as a trader, what is my winning rate and how many entries do I take in a week? As you can see, no much entries in this week for GU. This is just one. It's supposed to be a second one inside, third one, fourth one. So these are just 4 entries on GU. So let's assume you are a 4 entry trader. What it means is you plan to flip this account every week, okay, to make it 6,000, just like I did. So I'm going to show you how to do it, how I did it. So this is what I do. So my account balance is 1,000, okay. Then I'm going to determine my risks based on the number of entries I'm going to be taking, my win rates and all. So let's look at the entries taken on this, and if you look at the entry taken on this, you'll see one is win partial anyway, and we tried this partial as well. So if you hold, definitely win. Okay, so let's just say 3 wins, 3 entries, or we say 2 partials, 4 entries. So in that case, let's calculate how many pips was caught. So for this one, first pips caught here was quickly, this is sorry about that, this is 30. Quickly for this one, quickly let's calculate this. I want it to be very accurate. So we have 30 and we have 38. So we have 38 and let's say partial of 33. Let's say 33, or let's just take the 3 entry, 49. So we have 30, 38, 49. So if you do the maths quickly, you know the number of pips, total number of pips. So you have 49, you have 49, you have 30, you have 38. So these are the entries for that particular week. So now, since you're taking 3 entries and you're winning the 3 entries, in that case you can now say, okay, fine, my win rate is high. 3 win 3, 5 win 3, lose 2, 7 win 5, lose 2. So there's every tendency that no matter how many entries you take, you're going to win more to lose less. So in that case, then we can say, okay, which is what I did, I can risk let's say let's put it like this now, 50%, 20 pips GU, okay, or let's do it like this, 40%, 20%, okay, for one standard lot, 20%. So if you're risking 20% for one standard lot, what it means is that if you hit stop loss, you're going to lose $200 off the 1,000. Remember, we have 117 pips. Put that at the back of your mind. So if you're losing $200 for a failed entry, let's do that again. So your equity, remember, your capital, remember, is 1,000. If you lose 200 for one entry, what it means is you're going to have 800. Now, but if you win, of which this is 3 winning rates already, this is 3 winning already, it means that what you were supposed to lose, which is, of course, your loss is 20 pips. You can see calculated already, 20 pips. So since you won 117, it's simple. All you're going to do is 117 divided by 20, and then you know how many times your winning is, and you have 5.85. okay, so simply you multiply that 5.85 by 200, which was supposed to be your loss, and you have your winning. So what's that? That's a whopping 100% increase on the account. What do you have before? You previously have 1,000, so that means you have what? You have 2,170. That's simple. So you've easily flipped it from 1,000 and you're now 2,000. That's what I did. So when I got to 2,000, all I need to do is I can maintain the same rules, okay, consistency rules, but equity has changed. All I need to do is just come here and put 2,170, risking 20%, and repeat the same thing. Then I have my standard lot by 2. I already know that if I do that with 2.17 standard lot, and I have 3 winning rates just as the previous one, then I'm going to have times 2, which will give me 4,340. And if I repeat the same thing with 4,340, which is why you see I told you I'm going maybe probably with 8,000 times 2, I'm going to be having 8,680, of which I'm currently at 5,375 or thereabouts, around 5,000. Okay, so you can see it's very easy, it's doable and all. Now, how about the stop loss? Like someone is saying, okay, what about when you hit stop loss? Of course, there were times I hit stop loss. It's simple. It's like this. Remember, your equity is 1,000. Okay, so I didn't hit stop loss the first time, right? Because I had winning. So the second time, I'm going again. That same, repeating the same system for consistency rules. Doing 20%, let's say 5 entries, 2 stop loss, 3 winnings. It's simple. So of course, if you hit stop loss for this, you lose 434, of which let's take out what? Let's say we hit the first stop loss. Of course, you can't hit stop loss all straight because you know what you're doing. So let's remove the first one. Stop loss, what is left? 1736. So you will go down sometimes. Okay, this is why it's bad when you are risking 100%, because you don't give yourself a chance to try again. So you've got to break your risks. Like 20%, it means I'm going to take 5 entries on the 1,000, and of course I should be able to win to grow that account. So make sure you always divide your risk. Remember, the more you risk, the more you get, but the more chances you have, the better you win. So in this case, we have this, and if in the case where we win, we have this times 2. I hope you know, because it's 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So if you have this times 2, then we have 868, okay, for the winning. And then we hit another stop loss, remember, so we have 434. okay, so that's the second stop loss that we hit. And then we won again, 864. You see, 668. You see why it's not good to close entries before they reach TP. So now we already have calculated 2 losses and 2 winnings. So let's put the remaining 3 winnings, which is 8681, right? And put another 868. You can see why you need to hit stop loss, because you just keep winning 868. And what do you have? You have 5,000 already. So it's that simple. Okay, just calculate your winning, calculate your losing. Make sure you give accommodation for your losing, you give accommodation for your winning. Make sure you calculate the risk. So you're risking 20%. It's that simple. Risking 20%, that means you're saying out of 1,000, I'm ready to lose 200. So if I hit stop loss 2 times, I'm ready to go down 200. Then if I must win, I must take profits at least 3 times, and I must do at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, which is 400. This is 1. This is 2. Remember, we said at least 3. And this is 3. And with that, despite the fact that you lost, you still have 1.8. That's how to flip the account. That's how to get the account fastly growing and keep on making a lot of money. Okay, but this is high risk. This is high risk. So take note of that, just in case you're wondering, what do I advise? Of course, I always tell you risk only 1%. But if you're ready to risk more, the more the risk, the more the reward. No risks, no reward. So that's basically how we were able to do that. We were able to get the account grow from 1,000. We got 5,000 profit. Of course, numerically we have 6,000 because the account moved from 1,000 to 6,000 with a profit of about $5,000. And we're still going. A journey of 8,000. Guess what? I'm going to get there. Once I get to the 8,000, I'm going to do another video just to show you how we did it from 1,000 to 8,000 to keep you abreast of that. And I know you're waiting for that video. Watch out soon. Don't forget, you're supposed to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And you're supposed to turn on the notification so that when we post similar videos like this, helpful videos, you will be able to be notified that we have a video for you. And you can be able to take advantage of the video and learn so much from it. So much information is available for you. Don't forget, it is www.kfctrading.com or just kfctrading.com, and you can get on board on our VIP subscription. Even our free videos are there, our free channels are there. Whatever you need, we are available for you. Just visit the website today. Click on the description side of this video. You're going to find the website, or go to our channel. You see the website there, our profile side of the channel. Get on the website, check out the website, and let us know what you want. You can also earn on the website. That means you can actually invest. Okay, you can donate, you can partner. You want us to pass your prop accounts, okay, we can pass it for you. Just a little fee, a little token of 10% of the account size, and we're going to pass it for you. You want us to manage it when you've been funded, we also manage, of which profit share is 50-50. Check out the website and you'll get all of this information. See you soon on our next video.